In this video, we'll look at nuclear fission and fusion. This is Paper 2 content for IGCSE Physics. By the end, you'll be able to do three things. First, describe nuclear fission. Second, explain a chain reaction. And third, describe nuclear fusion. Nuclear fission means splitting a nucleus. It's how nuclear power stations release energy. A large, heavy nucleus, usually uranium-235, absorbs a slow-moving neutron, which makes it unstable. The nucleus then splits into two smaller nuclei, called daughter nuclei. And crucially, it releases a large amount of energy, plus 2 or 3 more neutrons flying out. Those extra neutrons are the key to a chain reaction. Each neutron that's released can go on to hit another uranium nucleus. That nucleus splits too, releasing yet more neutrons and more energy. So the number of reactions can multiply very quickly, 2, then 4, then 8, a chain reaction. In a power station, this has to be kept under control. Control rods, usually made of boron, are lowered in to absorb the spare neutrons, keeping the reaction steady, rather than letting it run away. Nuclear fusion is the opposite of fission. Instead of splitting a big nucleus, we join two small ones together. When two light nuclei, like forms of hydrogen, fuse into a larger nucleus, they release even more energy than fission does. The catch is that it only happens at enormous temperatures and pressures, because the two positive nuclei repel each other and need huge energy to get close enough. That's exactly the conditions in the core of the Sun. Fusion is what powers the Sun and every other star, and scientists are working hard to harness it here on Earth. Let's check what you've learned. Question 1. What happens to a large nucleus in fission? Question 2. What keeps a chain reaction under control in a reactor? Question 3. What is nuclear fusion? Pause the video and have a go. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. 1. It splits into two smaller nuclei, plus neutrons and energy. 2. Control rods absorbing spare neutrons. 3. Two small nuclei joining to form a larger one. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments.